my last video, I tried to recreate Five Nights at Freddy's in 1 hour, and a lot of you guys seem to like the camera system within the game, so I decided to put it into a kit for your guys' use in whatever games you're making. Before we get into the video though, if you guys can do me a favor and hit that like button as well as the subscribe button, we are closing in on 10,000 subscribers. Anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is go ahead and download the model from the description. Once you have that downloaded, you can go ahead and go to Toolbox, My Models, and insert it into your workspace. Just click OK when it asks this confirmation. You might be confused as to what gets inserted because you got 3 colored blocks here, 3 white blocks. Let me explain. Each of these blocks are a camera. So as you can see, this is camera 1, this is camera 2, and this is camera 3. These are just parts to just something to have the camera focused on. These parts don't mean anything. Make sure when you insert the kit into workspace, you put the folders where they're supposed to go. So everything in Starter UI, go ahead and insert that into Starter UI and then click Ungroup, and then everything will be inserted into the correct place. Same thing with the workspace folder, drag it into workspace, click Ungroup, and everything is now set up. Once everything is set up correctly, you should see an open camera button pop up. You can run your game and test it out. It should open up the camera screen and you should be able to select the different cameras. And don't feel like wherever these cameras are, they have to stay there. You can move these cameras wherever you want and it'll work. Just make sure that they're facing the front, and you could tell where the front is by seeing where this decal is located. So this little orange border, you could tell this is the front facing piece. If you guys have any suggestions for add-ons on the kit or any problems that come up, make sure you join my Discord server linked in the description. We have great staff that tries to help you out with any problems that you have. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.